Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching us how to change the clutch or the motor of an industrial machine. So as you can see, this is my own machine. This is actually an overlocking machine. Are you seeing the head here? So what happened is that the clutch got burnt, so I really want to change it so that I can go and work on the former clutch and work. So I'm going to be exchanging it. Now look at this one. Look at the motor here. Are you seeing? Look at the clutch. So I'm going to be exchanging it to this particular one. This is the one that got burnt. Are you seeing it? So I will show you guys how to do the exchange. I'll show you guys how to release it. Now look at it. I'll show us how to remove the clutch of this particular one. Now take the clutch of this particular one to replace on this particular one. So guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so what we are going to be doing now is, as you can see this green carpet, we are going to be turning it upside down. So that is what we are going to be doing now. So let's turn it upside down. Now if you check it very well, I'm not going to be losing this one. No, it is wrong for you to loosen this one. The one we are going to be losing is one. Are you seeing it? Look at it very well. 1, 2 and 3. Why? Because it is the one that is being attached on this particular wood. Are you seeing? So we are going to be getting the spanner. Let's search for the spanner so that we can be able to lose it, guys. Okay guys, look at it. For the one we are going to be using here, so on your machine, the one we are going to be using here, we are going to be using spanner size of 14. That is the one I have here. Now look at it. We are going to be using it like this. Are you seeing it? Yes, like this. So go anti-clockwise. I think I'm correct. Go anti-clockwise. Now look at it. Now it is loose. I can even use my hand and loosen it all. Are you seeing it? Okay. So this is what we are going to be doing on other ones. So when we are done on this one, we are going to be doing the same thing on this other one here. Are you seeing? Now look at this. Look at this, guys. This one is connected to the pedal. Are you seeing it? So we are going to be losing here in order to separate it from this particular clutch. Are you seeing it? So let's do that. So use your screwdriver and loosen here. Let's see the size that we have there. Which size is there placed for? Which size? Okay, so it's actually the same size 14 spanner that we are using. So this is what we do. You can't lose it all. Just, are you seeing it? Okay, either way, are you seeing that we are done losing it? So you can go ahead and bring out this particular one. You can also go ahead and tighten it back. Do you understand? Or you can keep it one side since we are not done. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is to release this particular one. Are you seeing it? Then we can now carry it out of here. So carry it out. Please be very careful. If not, if any part break, you have actually condemned your motor or your clutch. Carry it out gently, gently, gently. Okay, so that is what you are going to be doing. Are you seeing it? So keep it safe one side. Keep it safe. We are going to be repairing it on Monday. So we are going to be losing the other one, the other machine. Are you seeing it? When we're losing exactly the same way we have done on this one, then we'll not take the motor and they replace to this particular one. So let's shift this particular one aside, Jacob. So this is actually the second machine. Are you seeing it? So we are repeating the same thing that we did. So guys, there's something I really want to show you guys. If you notice, this particular one around here is direct. Are you seeing it? While look at this one is having this one. Are you seeing this plug here and socket? Are you seeing it? So that means we cannot just remove the motor. We have to remove both the motor and the switch. So look at it. We are losing the switch. Are you seeing it? Okay, we are losing the switch. Okay, look at it. So we're losing it and we carefully remove it from here. Are you seeing it? We carefully remove it. We are going to hit it back, so we carefully remove it from all these places. Are you seeing it? Look at, okay, now look at here also. We carefully remove it from here. Please, the same thing we are also going to be doing on this particular one. Are you seeing it? Look at it and look at the switch down there. Are you seeing it? Look at the switch down there. We are going to be removing it. Are you seeing how we are releasing it from the clip? Yes, we are releasing it this way from the clip. So when we are done, you can see that this clutch will be ready to be moved over to the other side, but we are still going to unclip the other one. Okay, so you can now move it over to the other side. Are you seeing it? You guys can see the positioning. Yes, position it very well. Excuse me, let me video it very well. Have you guys seen it? So it's going to tight it back. It's actually going to be tight it back. So let him do that. It's going to put back the screws, the bolts, and tight it back. Are you seeing it? Look at this side and the other side in front, and this other side in front. Are you seeing all the screws? It's going to put back the bolts there and tight it. Okay guys, so now we are done. Now we are going to be releasing the switch for this particular one. Are you seeing it? The on in and off switch. Now look at it. Are you seeing how we are removing the clip in order to give space for this thing to be separated? Okay. Now the only reason why we are doing this is because both of them doesn't have the same. Are you seeing it? This one is like this. You plug it around here, while this particular one is direct. Are you seeing it? Okay. Direct. Okay. So now it's going to loosen the switch. Are you seeing it? Just take a screwdriver by the side, as you can see, loosen it out. Okay. Now look at it. We are done. So we are going to be replacing it with the other one that we have, which is this. Are you seeing it? We replace it because this is the one for this particular clutch. Take it. So guys, we need to arrange the cables. So the next thing you need to do is to fix back this. Now look at it. Are you seeing it? Fix it back. Now look at it. Are you seeing it? So guys, next thing you need to do is to just clean it up, because if you don't clean it, it's not going to look nice. So guys, as you guys can see, we have dropped it on top of this. So next thing is we have to retreat our machine. Do you understand? It's just normal trading. So after this, I'm going to show you guys the finished work. That is when I'll be using it to overlock a dress. Yes guys, that's what I'll be doing. As you can see, the machine is not very neat. Yes, because we had to clean it. Okay guys, it's time to sort this particular side. Now I'm looking at it, I don't think it's working. Can you see it? Here is not tight enough. So let's tighten it. Now look at here, it's so high. If it is so high like this, it's going to overspeed. So we have to find a way to bring it a little bit down. Okay. So that it will not overspeed. Okay, so let's try this way. All we have to do is to tighten it. Make sure we hold it tight. So now let's go. This particular one is going to be attached to this side. Are you seeing it? So look at, you guys know what it works. Raise it up so that they can see what it works. Whenever I match this, you guys can see here, you see the footer is always going up. So whenever you want to put a cloth, that is actually where you match. Put it back. Let them see. Are you seeing it? Okay, so this one is for machine to move. So plug it. Let's see whether everything is working fine. Actually, overlocking. Okay, we're also checking both the speed and everything. Okay, so let's check it. Wow, it's coming out fine. So let's check this side also. If you've not bought our book, The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide, so make sure you click in that link you can see below, The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. It will take you to a website that you are going to buy the book. Thanks and God bless. It's going to teach you everything you need to know on pattern drafting or how to cut any pattern. Bye bye for now.